मैं आज स्वयं को बहुत गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जिन 2 लोगों का मैं परिचय करवाने जा रहा हूँ आप लोगों से, उन लोगों ने सदैव ही अपनी कला के माध्यम से हमारा और सबका नाम रोशन किया है। तो हम सोनालिका पारी पुरोहित जी का स्वागत करते हैं। सोनालिका पारी पुरोहित, सर्टिफाइड विथ नृत्य भास्कर इन ओडिसी क्लासिकल डांस, is critically acclaimed for her grace, fluidity, and adherence to the purity of Odissi dance style. Achiever of awards like Odissi Pratibha, Nritya Suvarna, Nritya Shiromani, and many. She is trained under Guru Ravindra Swan at a very tender age. Guru Sundarlal Patel and presently getting trained under the tutelage of Guru Srimati Sikata Das and Guru Srimati Pranati Mohanty. Sonalika, a master with first class distinction in biotechnology, was into research at NBRI Lucknow prior to embracing her love in Odissi to continue her passion. Mother of two, Sonalika strives to achieve perfection in whatever field she adheres to. Immense experience in teaching, she is promoting the art form and training newcomers in her dance institute at Bangalore. Ekagra Swaras Academy, ESA, Bangalore, imparts training to small kids and adults in Odissi classical and Sambalpuri folk. It also emphasizes on the history and theory behind Odissi to give a detailed knowledge on the subject, while preserving antiquity and originality of these ancient dance forms. ESA dedicates itself for further evolution by synthesis with innovation and intense research. हम आपका स्वागत करते हैं मैम। अब हम स्वागत करेंगे श्रीनिका पुरोहित जी का। Srinika Purohit got introduced to the field of classical Indian dance through her mother Sonalika, who resumed her Odissi performance when Srinika was 3 months old. Srinika grew up among dancers and musicians in Bangalore. She knew all Hasta Mudras and Shri Bheda at the age of 2. Srinika is now learning under the tutelage of her mother Srimati Sonalika Purohit ji. She started performing solo in Nritya at the age of 3 and solo in Abhinay at the age of 5. Srinika has been critically acclaimed for her technical fairness, grace, fluidity, and adherence to the purity of Odissi dance style. Her abhinay is well appreciated because of the grace, maturity, impeccable enactment, and portrayal of characters demonstrated in her performance. Her first solo performance at the age of 3, she got the opportunity to showcase her talent in Odissi International Festival 2013. She was given the title of Wonder Kid of Odissi. Since then, Srinika has performed all over India in many prestigious classical dance festivals. The recipient of award Nritya Molly Srinika has now learned the complete repertoire of Odissi, which includes a Mangalacharan, Sthai, Pallavi, Abhinay, and Moksha. She has the right blend of skill for a pure dance and Abhinay. आप दोनों का हम तहे दिल से स्वागत करते हैं।
Thank you so much for this lovely introduction.
Welcome to you both once again, madam. You are audible.
Thank you so much. Seeing this program, I'm really feeling very happy that see nowadays kids and parents getting inclined towards this kind of Indian art is found very rare, and wherever it is found like this. It's so pretty that all the kids are having this passion towards the Indian art. And I really feel that this kind of programs should be promoted more, so that our Indian art form is, valued by each and every person in India. Okay, many parents, I don't know why they feel that participating or having this kind of inclination towards this art form, they feel this is just an extracurricular activity. So one point I would like to tell to the whole world that it's not an extracurricular activity. It is a prayer, it is a divine art which is given by God to only special persons. So whoever is into this kind of art must sense the thing that you are special and you can do it. Everyone cannot. Okay, so we should value this art, and whoever is inclined towards this music, dance, drama, and doing drawings, all these things, whoever is involved in this kind of thing, in a research, it is always found that this kind of children do have a very sharp IQ. They maintain their, nature and character very much according to our Indian culture, and they grow up to a very mature human being in future, who are balanced from all these sides. Balanced in the sense, not only educationally, or not only, they are balanced in their character as a good human being. So I would really like to thank this program's organizer, that you are organizing this program to give a visibility to this kind of artist to the whole world. So I'm really happy. I'm very much impressed with your program, the way you have organized during this time of pandemic. And Shinika, you want to tell something? No? Why? You should tell everyone. Is very good. You were liking their songs, right? Yeah. So
Hi, Shrinika. You can speak. We all are waiting to listen to you.
Yeah, you can talk.
I saw everyone's programs and I really loved it. But when I try singing, I never able to do it properly.
No, that's everyone is given a different art form, so it's okay. We should respect each other's art form. That's all. Okay. Thank you so much.
मधुरं